Hello, welcome. Question 2B, BECE 2026, the paper 2. Joyce and Richard contributed 10,000 Ghana cedis and 5,000 Ghana cedis respectively to start a business. They agreed that Richard will be paid 1/3 of the profit as a manager, and the rest of the profit will be shared in the ratio of their contribution. That's the agreement. So if the profit of 9,000 was made, how much did Joyce receive and how much did what Richard receive? So this is under ratio and proportion. So first of all, we have to find out the amount of money that Richard received as the manager, and that is going to be 1/3 of the total profit. So first of all, let's see. Okay, let me take it this way. Ratio of contribution, right, is first Joyce is to Richard. How much did Joyce receive contributed? That is evidence in the first amount. Joyce, Richard, 10,000, 5,000. The word respectively means that the 10,000 goes to the first person mentioned, then the 5,000 goes to the second person that has been mentioned. So here I'll be writing it without their Ghana cedis. So I'll just write 10,000 is to 5,000. But remember, these ratios can be reduced further. 1,000 dividing here give you 5. 1,000 dividing here give you what? 10. Then 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 2. So the ratio of 2 is to what? 1. Meaning the total money that has been contributed, if we divide it into 3 parts, Joyce contributed 2 parts of that money, then Richard contributed what? 1 part of that money. If you add 15,000, 2 parts goes to Rejoice by contribution, then 1 part goes to Richard. That is it. Then we can now think of the total ratio. So our total ratio is going to be 2 plus 1, which is what? 3. Or let me do it, examination required. So this will be 3, because we can't have 2 equal signs on one line. So the equal signs will be only one. The next one follows. We can also do this after we find the first part of the question, the manager. But let's look at it this way. Now, we need to look at the manager's amount or share. So as manager, what are you going to receive? You are going to receive, or let's say, profit. Let me put the profit, 9,000. So manager is taking 1/3, 1 out of 3, 1/3, 1 out of 3, of, meaning multiplication of what? 9,000. So 1/3, 1 times 9,000, that will be 9,000 divided by 3, meaning 3 can divide the 9,000. So 3 going to 9, 3. So that means that the manager will be taking 3,000 Ghana cedis. So this money goes to Richard as manager. Then amount left or profit left is going to be the 9,000 minus the 3,000. We are having 9,000. We subtract 3,000 and see how much will be left. Whatever is left is what they are going to share. What do you call it? The manager, and the rest of the profit will be shared in the ratio of their contribution. So now it means that the remaining money will be shared into how many parts? 3 parts. whereby Joyce will take 2 parts of that remaining money, then Richard will take what? 1 part of that money. So let's look at how that will be done. So from here, we have 9 minus 3. That will give you 6. That means 9,000 minus 3,000 will give you what? 6,000. So the amount left will be 6,000. So this 6,000 can be divided into 3 parts. Then 2 parts goes to Joyce. Then 1 part goes to what? Richard. So what do we do? We are going to have Roman number 1. Let's say Joyce share is going to be, after we divide this by 3, he'll be taking 2 parts. It means taking 2 out of the 3. So that will be 2 out of 3 times, let me just write the 6,000. I'll bring the Ghana city letter. Remember, this multiply this divided by 3. 3 goes here, that will be 2. 2,000. 2,000 times what? 2. That will be 4,000. So as we be having 4,000, that is left. Out of the 6,000, Joyce will take 4,000. Now, it's obvious that Richard will take the remaining 2,000, because 2,000 plus this give you 6,000. Or we can also say that the Roman number 2, Richard's share of the remaining profit is going to be, he's taking 1 out of what? 3 of the 6,000. Remember, you can also subtract this from this to get your answer. 3 goes into 6 2 times. So that will be 2,000 Ghana cedis. So this is what he's taking as a contributor in that business. But we are asked to find the amount he take in total. He first received money as a manager before receiving as a contributor. So Richard's total share is going to be the amount received first as a manager, which is 3,000, plus the one received as a contributor, which is what? 2,000. So let's see what that will be. We are having 1,000 plus 1,000. So they are all in that corner. So we are having 3,000 plus 2,000. That will be 5,000. Because if you add 1,000 to this 4,000, the remaining 1,000 give you 5,000. So it means that Richard takes 5,000 at the end of the transaction, then Joyce take what? 4,000. Even though Joyce contributed more than Richard, Richard is earning 2 streams of income as a manager and as a contributor. I'm sure concept is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.